what's going on, everybody? With the trend of out and about, since we spent a nice day out on the water with Rakin, I figured going out again today, I might as well get you guys some good Florida weather vibe videos because everybody's cold and has snow going on. So I'm gonna open the video up with a little look out over the water here as we go get lunch. A little look at our lunch spot. Circles on the water, Apollo Beach, Florida, in case you get a minute. But let's jump into today's story that Amazon is finally doing what they should have done years ago. They've got the infrastructure. Amazon has set up its own shipping company to compete with UPS and FedEx. I don't know how they're going to compete with the USPS, but they are going to compete with UPS and FedEx. It's incredible. I'd love to know what you guys think about this. Amazon, like I said in a video like 6 months ago, taking over the world, and man, what an opportunity for them to jump in on the shipping side of things. You know, as eBay sellers, those of you that sell on eBay, I don't know that Amazon shipping service is going to help in any way, but it's interesting to see where they go with it and what they do with it, and I'd love to see, you know, fast forward 3 months, 6 months, 12 months from now, how this changes the landscape of all the 3 major shipping services as opposed to Amazon or anything else. Let's jump over to my computer screen. We're gonna leave this beautiful paradise, go over to my computer and check out a little more on the story. Amazon starting its own shipping service here in 2018. Check out here, right as you see on MarketWatch's story that Amazon is considering building basically its own UPS, $21 billion, and that is the number that UPS basically ships through its operation in 2017, essentially. So shipping costs, which included the sortation, delivery center, and transportation costs, were 11.5. They jumped to 16.2, and then $21.7 billion last year. So since 2015, they have nearly doubled, which of course makes sense because of all the online shipping and all the, you know, e-commerce and all of that. And they expect the shipping cost to continue at this increase again, which is, you know, basically 50%, give or take a little less than 50% per year. You're talking about next year possibly growing to say $28-30 billion. Amazon is definitely interested in that, and there's no way that FedEx and UPS can stop it if Amazon wants to. Remember, Amazon's already got the infrastructure. You know, they've got all the locations. They've got hundreds of warehouses set up. They've already got delivery services out. They've already got Amazon Flex, which is a team of drivers to do the last mile. They have everything already in place, which is causing FedEx and UPS's stock to both be down 4% because, well, if I was in UPS or FedEx's shoes, I'd be pretty scared. And I think that one of the strengths that Amazon has is doing things cheaper than everyone else. And if Amazon can come in and swoop up the business that UPS and FedEx are overpricing for, even if it's just a piece of that, I mean, even if they could get, you know, $5 billion or $10 billion, Amazon is going to jump on it. You better believe it. And that's going to help their customer base anyway. So $21 billion shipping business, only going to grow, and Amazon wants a piece of it, if not all of it. So if I'm UPS, if I'm FedEx, I'm a little bit worried about my shipping business. So keep an eye on that. It's pretty interesting. What do you guys think about that? You think Amazon's going to have success? You think Amazon is going to be able to do this, to put this together, to compete with UPS and FedEx, to be able to, you know, put a dent in their business? Do you think Amazon could do it better than UPS or FedEx? I think they have the experience. I don't think it's going to help the eBay side of the shipping because Amazon's a competitor with them. I don't think Amazon's going to compete with USPS, at least not right away. It may be coming, but not right away. This is going to be more of the, you know, the larger, heavier packages, UPS, FedEx stuff. So keep that in mind, and hopefully we'll find out in the next 6 to 12 months what Amazon plans to do with that. So thanks a lot for watching, you guys and girls. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful weekend, the rest of your weekend. And if you are interested, I had a lot of messages and emails. I saw them come in. If you're interested in the Facebook VIP group, if you're a member of it, you get one-on-one coaching, you get group videos, bolos, content, products, a lot of awesome stuff being a part of the VIP group. The VIP group of resellers is $15 a month.
And if you want the rest of 2018, we can do it for $99. All I need you to do is email me rockstarflipper@gmail.com or message me on my personal Facebook. Either way is fine, and I will get you all set up. So thanks a lot again, guys. Give the video a big thumbs up, and I will see you next time.